안녕하세요. Hello everyone. How are you doing during these hot summer days? Because it's so hot, I've been spending more time inside. And one of the ways I pass time is by making foods I haven't made in a long time. One of the recipes that popped into my head was a Chungmukimbap, which is a combination of a kimbap and squid and a radish mixed in a flavor sauce. Keep on watching to learn how to make this spicy kimbap combination. Let's make it together. Please feel free to like the video and hit the subscription button. Thank you. The ingredients I need today is 1 squid, a squid that has been gutted and washed in running water, some radish, 3 green onions, 5 seaweed papers for kimbap, and 2 bowls of rice. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to boiling water. If you blanch the squid with vinegar, the flesh becomes soft and the texture becomes chewier. If you boil the squid for a long time, the texture may get tough, so blanch it for about 1 minute. You can buy squid at a Korean grocery store. Do not wash the boiled squid in cold water. Cool it in a plate. Let me show you how to make a seasoning. Add 3 tablespoons of Korean red pepper powder in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix all the ingredients well. Cut the radish into half-inch thick pieces. Slice it so it's not too thick or thin. I think this size and thickness is great. Put the sliced radish in a bowl. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Chop about 3 pieces of scallions. This is today's main character blanched squid. Cut the squid into 3 pieces if it's big, and cut it diagonally to about 1-inch sizes. If you cut it diagonally like this, it will be seasoned well. Selenium in squid is an antioxidant, so it is effective in preventing aging. It is good for brain health because it has a lot of DHA, and it is rich in taurine, a natural fatigue recovery agent. Squid has a lot of nutrients. Lastly, cut the leg part into appropriate sizes. Squeeze the salted radish with your hands. Place drained radish in a bowl. Put the sliced squid. Add chopped scallions. Add the seasoning that was just made. Season well so that the seasoning will be spread evenly. As long as the seasoning is good, the dish will be greatly elevated and much more delicious. Place 2 bowls of rice in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix it well. Cut the seaweed paper in half. Lay the seaweed paper with the rough side up. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Spread the rice thinly 2/3 of seaweed paper. If you roll the rice when it's too hot, it may get tough. And then roll it. Roll the rest in the same way. The origin of chungmukimbap was made because of this region. Chungmu, which is now called Tongyang, is a popular place for fishing. While thinking of what to pack their fishing husbands for lunch, the wives chose chungmukimbap. The reason why they didn't put ingredients in the kimbap, like regular kimbap, is to prevent the kimbap from spoiling quickly. Put sesame oil on top of the prepared kimbap, and sprinkle some sesame seeds and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Place the kimbap on a plate. Place the squid radish muchim next to it. Sweet, sour, and spicy chungmukimbap is done. If you have to speak when you eat it, it's good to eat it with 1 kimbap and spicy squid radish muchim together. This is a great dish to have when you lost your appetite. This flavor and spice dish will help you regain your appetite. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe as much as I enjoyed making and eating it. Thank you so much for watching and your support. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.